today we're going to go over a single arm overhead tricep extension. Woo, it's a mouthful, but you are getting those triceps. Okay, so the triceps is made up of 3 different muscles, hence the name tri. And the best way to build that horseshoe muscle is to get all sorts of angles. Okay, so this one is actually going to go back behind your head. So this is going to be the starting position. All right, so you're out right here, and I like to just hold on to my shoulder. I don't know why, it's just kind of a comfort thing for me, but I like to hold on to my shoulder, and then my elbow stays pointing towards the ceiling. I drop the dumbbell back behind my head, and then I almost am reaching this way with this hand. Okay, so I'm not just dropping straight back, but I'm almost reaching back and then drawing a half circle as I come up. So it's not just straight up and down, but in my head, I'm picturing like, okay, I'm reaching, and then I draw a half circle. Okay, so I'm going to turn around and this is what it looks like. All right, so I'm reaching up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach towards the wall, reach, and then try to draw a half circle. Come back up, all the while I'm keeping my bicep by my ear. Boom. Reach, and then draw a half circle. So that is the dumbbell overhead tricep extension. If you have questions about this exercise, leave them in the comments below. And if you have another exercise you want me to break down or coach you up on, leave them in the comments and I'll add it to the list.